What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment. Now today we have a different type of video for you guys. This is about keeping your sneaks clean. You got to keep your sneaks clean. I'm telling you, I hate looking at dirty shoes. I be in the mall sometime, I see my man over here, he got the Bread 4s on. They're mad crusty, mad dirty, mud on them, whatever. I know you may be in the trap, my young boy, but you got to make sure your sneakers is clean. My man over here, he got the 11s on. They're dirty, they're tore up. I was downtown the other day. I had on my semi-frozen yellow Yeezys. Some other guy had on his semi-frozen yellow Yeezys. His was tore up so bad, he made me keep looking at mine like, yo, I hope mine don't look like that. You have got to keep your shoes clean, guys, I'm telling you. First off, I hit up Reshoevn8r. They gave me the curve. Bam, get me out of here. Then I hit up Crep. They gave me the curve. Boom, another one, out of here. I was like, dang, that's crazy. Went all the way out to SneakerCon to talk to these guys. Yo, boom, boom, boom. Mr. Entertainment, I got a channel. I love to, show your product on my channel. Get out of here. They ain't want no parts of me. It's all good. Maybe one day it'll come, whatever. But I did hit up these guys on Instagram called GOAT Team. Now, it's not the same GOAT that's on the app that we get our shoes from, but a different GOAT. And I hit the balls up, and they hit your man back. Mom, now we in there. They hit me back, send me some product. Shout out to you guys. I really appreciate the opportunity to showcase your product. So, let's see if the product works, because we about to test it on these threes. And these things is beat to hell. I mean, they're done. These ain't mine. I don't want no parts of these threes. I hope this works. I really hope this works, because these are really beat. Like the suede on the elephant print, all that. I don't even know what to say. It's a dub. The bottom got gum on here. Like, it's crazy. So we're gonna see on the other shoe and do a comparison, boom, if it gets clean or not. You know what I mean? And there's something a little special for y'all today. This is sort of like a cinematic B-roll type demonstration that we're gonna do with the solution that your boys over in GOAT sent. Look at that. They even got their own name on the brush, which is fire. So yeah, man. Check it out. There's going to be instructions in the video on how to use it. And if you guys want to be a part of it, man, I'll leave a link down in the description. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Is the other shoe right here. Now, I would say that as far as the whites in the bottom of the shoe and the uppers, you know what I mean, it did really bring out the color more. I see. You probably really can't tell on cam or whatever, but you know what I mean, it did do somewhat of a different job. Now, I will say that this suede around here, it just seems like there's no hope for this. Like, that's a dub. There's no hope for this. But the shoe overall is a lot cleaner than what it used to be. I mean, this is, you know, the brand new one that was just clean, and this is the tore up one or whatever that hasn't been cleaned, which just doesn't look too bad on cam. I just gotta see it in person to be like, dang, hey, it is what it is. Shout out to the guys over at GOAT, man. Hopefully you guys like this video. There possibly maybe more, you know, in the future between me and GOAT. You know what I mean? Who knows? But shout out to those guys for sending over the product. And it is your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you even knew what entertainment, y'all. Peace.